Withdrawing money from your PlayStation account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Access your PlayStation account. Log into your PlayStation account on your console or through the PlayStation website. Make sure you are using the account that has the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Navigate to wallets. Once logged in, go to the account settings or wallet section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your profile settings. Step 3. Select withdraw funds. In the wallet section, look for an option that says withdraw funds or transfer to bank account. Click on this option to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. Make sure to provide accurate details, including your account number and routing number, to avoid any issues with the transfer. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.rock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your money should be on its way to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for assistance.